Hi, I am Ganesh, Chartered Accountant. We are presenting you a short video training from Anveshan Business Solution. So, what we have opted for this day is a basic Excel function which would help you in various forms. So, let us see how it will help you out. I believe this video will be of a great help for you. So, now let us jump to Excel spreadsheet. Today, let us have a knowledge sharing on various count functions. Count function can be used to prepare a summary dashboard where the data runs into hundreds and thousands of rows and columns. It will be a very useful function. So let us now see how to use various functions. So we have a set of data here where it is a payroll. We have employee name, gender, total salary, other allowances, HRA, basic, DA, TA. So in this data, by using a very simple formula, count A for knowing the total number of employees. So this formula is for a non-numerical data. Count A. If it is for a numerical data, just use count, select the range, and that's it. Now we understood a very simple count function. Now with this data, if you want to know how many male employees are there or how many female employees are there, as this is a very small data, you can start counting how many male members and how many female members are there. However, if the data runs into thousands of line items, how this function would be of a great use. So let us see. So when you start typing count, it suggests you a few formulas. So we need to select COUNTIF, press on tab. So it asks you for range. So gender is the range which you need to select, comma. Criteria would be male. You want to know how many male members are there. M, close the bracket, enter. So there are 8 male members. So this is how easy for you to summarize the data. You also need to understand that there should be a data integrity. Here I have mentioned M. If you see the formula, it says COUNTIF, the range is C5 to C16, and the criteria is C21. C21 is M. The data integrity should be there, where in the range, if you have mentioned M, the same criteria should be there here as M. Suppose you want to know the male member. If I put the formula, COUNTIF, tab, I select the range, and criteria, if I put it as male, there would be an error. So you need to see there is a data integrity. So let me quickly summarize what we learned today. It was count and COUNTIF function, which will be a lot of help to summarize and prepare a dashboard when there is a huge data. I hope this short video was a great learning, and let us stay tuned in upcoming videos. Thank you.